Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the crucial X6 in your computer. Make sure the drive shows the correct capacity and that you have the USB-C cable. Plug the X6 into a powered port directly because hubs can reduce throughput. If you must use an adapter, choose a quality one. Once done, check the OS recognizes the device in File Explorer or Finder so transfers won't fail. You should also copy any critical files elsewhere before large operations to prevent accidental overwrite. You'll now format and transfer files depending on your workflow. Choose XFAT when sharing between Windows and Mac OS, or NTFS/apps for single-platform performance. Use Finder or File Explorer for simple moves, or use rsync on Mac OS/Linux and Robocopy on Windows when you need resumable, verified copies. During transfer, watch speeds and pause if thermal throttling slows the drive. Letting it rest briefly restores peak throughput. Make folders first to keep files organized and reduce accidental overwrites, then start your batch copy. You finish by safely ejecting the X6 from your operating system to avoid data corruption. Wait until the OS confirms it's safe, then unplug. If the drive isn't recognized, swap cables and ports first, then test on another computer. Outdated USB drivers or firmware can prevent detection, so update them if necessary. If performance is poor, confirm the host supports the required USB generation and run diagnostics with crucial/OS tools to check health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.